Rest in peace to my motherfucker.
I reminisce on dangerous summers, was just a thug nigga working for drug dealers in neighborhood. Run about the age of 13, we was gunning and it was fun to see the police running. Niggas disappear when we come and live. Nappy hair shorty, addicted to drinking 40. My niggas is naughty and y'all niggas is fucking corny. But you left me in the summer of 89, a very good year. Crack cocaine sales rose in every hood. Here till you got nah. Been locked down, bag of rocks in the fat nah. You shot down, what they tell me is you living well, stuck in your cell. Don't get another slip, taking, drinking, liquor in jail. Just as well, hell nigga, I fail. What never needed is weed inside the cereal box. So don't eat it where you been, nigga. Where the fuck you been? Where the fuck you been? The homies wanna know where you been, nigga. The homies wanna know where the fuck you been. Where you been, nigga? God bless the day. Troublesome 19 motherfucking 96. Let it be known, nigga.
Rest in peace to my motherfucker.
Ever seen a nigga hung with a gold chain? I'd rather sing about the same things that we claim. Such as bashful, but niggas like a task force. Mobbing on the streets and robbing stores and scheme ass, bruh. Niggas ask for peace in the riot to bring violence. Cause it's a game of cat and mouse and you gon' bleed silent. What's the justice in saying fuck it and grab the pump? To kill a woman with many children makes you a chump. Look at all the stores you reckon, nigga, I reckon. Think about the people who own it for about a second. I know you got your problem, but brother, they got theirs. This is not a gang of violence, a girl private show. You'd rather hear me say fuck black president. There's murder, different races, grow hatred and form irrelevant views and etc. Knife thrown, damage them lives, blow the living in the air. That you should stop the fucking ignorance. Killing shit, I'd enjoy the thrill of it. Making more the politics, different corpses,
but what you know about the stress-filled day? Baby on the way, now feels the pain. That's why you drink kind of way. So you can reminisce and wish you wasn't living so devilish. Shit, I remember I was just like you, smoking guns with my crew, flipping over 52s. Cause GED wasn't B.I.G. I had to get B.A.D. That's why my mom hate me. She was forced to kick me out, no doubt. Then I figured out it was the 20 down south. Packed up my tools for my raw power moves. Block 19 for casket and flower moves. But Trump's trying to stop my flow, and what they don't know will show on the autopsy. Went to see Poppy to cop me a brick. Asked for some consignment, he wasn't trying to hear it. Smoking mad Newports, cause I'm doing court for an assault that I caught in Bridgeport, New York. Catch me if you can, like a gingerbread man. You better have your gat in hand, cause man.
Rest in peace to my motherfucking Biggie Smalls.
A smooth kid that'll run up in your baby mama. Down niggas. Corleone too advanced for y'all. Yo, it's Corleone, the Queen's most we want to keep the team. Everywhere we go, we must bring toast forever. Popping the phone, always dropping the poem. I can write it or recite it off the top of the dome. However you want this, how I'ma give it to you, Big L style. They put it back to the streets, cause that shit sell now. So pal, back up a bit, give me some elbow space. I represent Harlem World, not Melrose Place. So I'ma lace the Jews up with nice baguettes. Flamboyant is the label that writes the check. Y'all niggas better stop frontin', cause I might get vexed. Then I'ma run up on y'all and slice your necks with a machete. Pop the type bait, sling more pain than headache. I represent Uno, Chef, and Rabbit. Time is money, so I stay late. But keep us not a free mate. Let's go fuck the create and rotate. Corleone is too advanced for y'all. I'm a flip down nigga.
1,423 grains of sand dropped from the hourglass. It's how much time I got left on this planet. You motherfuckers gotta die. I'm an evil motherfucker ready to tear shit up. I'ma put these things on you and never let up. See my mama, she was born when I was born. That a nigga like an E should have never been born. Too late, big mistake in 72. It's 92, not a year ago blue. 15 hours, 11 minutes, 30 seconds, I'm a motherfucking wreck. Gonna pay back niggas who did me wrong in the past. My days ain't long, I'm coming strong and fast. Knock up 8 niggas, kill up 10 pigs. Innocent fuckers are also dying too. Now what else can I do? Fuck and plant
that is gaping. This world is mine for the taking. Make me king as we move toward a new world order. A normal life is boring, but superstardom's close to post-mortem. It only grows harder, only grows hotter. He blows, it's all over. These hoes is all